paidbah bayai lengba jong Megalia Secretariat Hakasingi Baar Bon ki bayang man peikai bat shondur ya kynroh jong ka Soso Tham Auditorium kabla penwandur bat ohshrong itynnad ba. Ia ketika kynroh bat ka khilon lawan man plie hakatei hi ka step da umentri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma harengkat ka jingadon lang usembut mentri rang ba Preston Tensong mentri katran Art and Culture ba Sanbor Shulai ka Chief Secretary jong ke jela ikong RV Switchang bat kiwe nalor kini mentri rang ba ulapli paidbah ru ia ka jaka bu nam ia kidur bat ki jingtho ki barim bala penbe itynnad ba hajrong ka trong bala ai kerteng kum ka museum on wheel hakane gisi habakren haga jingelang nadu mentri rang ba nangta usembut mentri rang ba bat ru mentri katnat Art and Culture kilapan pau bada ka jing penwandur thama ya kite gi saudong saukon kalalong thik kumba kidon shabar jongkari lapan po penpeng shushu ya gani gisngi kraw kabalalong shibanta ka jingra khedap sanpos nem jong ka jela da ka jingrwai na ka light after dark ka kinhun rwai jong ki bathut ki borio i nangta na ka somersault ka kinhun rwai na rilom garo kasur ki nong kindong bat kiwe
Gilong kakinong pe Shaleng kai preita Manakasi kumengilong Kajingim hanong kendong Ulay ng unang tao Yang iudagan mau Kamadang baitan na Yang ikalay ng Bersama yung iklairan Sampai Bandung Banten Bersama yung iklairan Sampai Bandung Banten Bunde kangen del Sisa itu skelter Nipan ikut Leting kuslai Rengkat kasih kawai Mulai nunung kau Yang iudagan mau Kamadang baitan na Yang ikalay na Bersama yang iklairan Sampai Bandung Banten
Musical instruments of the daintiest of Meghalaya, a study of traditional technology with special reference to the iron smelting of the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya and the indigenous musical instruments of the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya. To kindly give away the award to marïadep.
And as you can see that there are primarily three parts to the program today. First was the unveiling of the mural and plaque that was there. And I must also join our Deputy Chief Minister and our Honorable Minister in Charge, Art and Culture, who have praised and spoken about the mural and plaque that has been unveiled. And truly, it is something that is really depicting the different aspects of the flora and fauna of the state, depicting about the different cultural aspects. And it's not easy to do it in a small space like this. So it was really wonderful. And I take this opportunity to congratulate and thank Barafel, his entire team, and the Art and Culture Department that have made this possible. And I would like to add that it will be nice if the Deputy Commissioner and others could ensure that some kind of a protection barrier is there, because we are all concerned that it's right at the turning of the road. So there could be some incidents that we need to ensure that the entire piece of art that's there should be protected. And I'm sure that it'll also become a location where people would like to click pictures. So we may want to just create some kind of a space for that. And also we'd like to have a small picture of that and explanation of what each aspect of the plaque and the mural are identified. And I think it'll be great for tourists to come in and see and read and understand what it's all about. Second, of course, was our museum on wheels. And of course, this is part of Meghalaya at 50 and India at 75. And this is really another way to connect to the grassroots and allow the people of different districts to be part of the celebration and feel the entire 50 years. And it's really been done well. And the different aspects in a small space, we've been able to add the history of our state and really showcase it to the rest of the state. And that's, I think, really a positive thing. And I must congratulate once again the entire team that has made this possible. My only suggestion for that would be that if you could have some kind of an ongoing commentary, which would then speak about the different aspects that are there. So people would enter and the voice recording would continuously tell the people about the different aspects of it. I feel it gives a more lively feel to it, and also allows the people to listen and understand, and they would not have to always read through the whole writings that are out there. This auditorium, from the day the India government had taken over, we used to come here and have different programs, and I must tell you today that I used to feel very embarrassed coming here. And every time I used to come in, I used to wait, when will the program be over? Because every time I looked on the side, there was something hanging, and I would see that the chairs are broken. We won't talk about who did it, but those kind of things were there, and this is really a piece of our history. And so many events have taken place here, and it really used to prick me whenever I used to come in here and feel really bad that this has been neglected. And today, really, I must congratulate Frederick and the entire team and our Honorable Minister, Art and Culture, for really taking the initiative and making this happen. We have limited scope to do on an existing space. There's limited scope to really improve things, but it has been tremendous, and I'm sure that we can all feel it also. You can feel the coldness, right? That's I think the air conditioning that's working. So all those kind of things are happening. So it's really great, and I must congratulate all the team members and the entire Department of Art and Culture and the individuals who were involved in making this happen. It's really great, and it's a matter of pride, I should say, because we used to have very important individuals coming in here. We used to have Government of India, central government ministers coming in, sometimes even ambassadors coming in. And I think it's a matter of pride for the state when we're able to provide world-class setups. And of course, we will try to keep improving on this. But I strongly feel that a lot of work has been done. So I once again congratulate. And this is something that we feel is required more and more. And I think all of you are aware that within a few months from now, I should say, within this 50 years of our statehood, so we will be inaugurating the Sikh Pack. We are in the final phase of putting up the sound system and the interiors, and which will be international level. And we will be having international performing arts programs going on there. And there are a large number of auditoriums, each one designed for different performing arts. So I think the Sikh Pack will be, again, another very important step towards performing arts and allowing the venues and space for our young artists to perform. But more importantly, allowing the space to be used for national and international events. So Shillong will become a very important place to host different kind of performing arts programs once we are done with the SICPAC auditorium. And as I said, it's a full center. So there are multiple auditoriums out there. And I can assure you that this will be one of the best performing arts centers, if not in the whole country, at least in the entire Northeast. And as I said, we are leaving no stone unturned to ensure that we are able to provide the best quality out there. We are also looking at expanding facilities for a hotel out there so that we can actually have both the performing arts and a 5-star hotel in the same campus so that people don't have to travel much. So different kind of facilities are also being planned in that area. So we hope that we'll be able to take that project forward. And but in the meantime, as I said, the SICPAC will also be ready, and we should be inaugurating that within a few months from now.